Successful sea trials of USS Gerald R Ford supercarrier. The U.S. Navy's next-generation supercarrier, the future USS Gerald R Ford, CVN 78, has taken to sea for the first time for several days of builders' trials off Virginia's coast. The USS R Ford is the first of two ships in the U.S. Navy's next-generation aircraft carrier, known as the Gerald R Ford class. The Ford class is the first new U.S. aircraft carrier design in 40 years, replacing some of the Navy's Nimitz-class carriers. The Builders' Trials, known as Builders' Sea Trials, is an opportunity to test the carrier's systems, components and compartments at sea for the first time. Over the next several days, CVN 78 sailors, shipbuilders from Huntington Ingalls Industries, Newport News Shipbuilding, NNS, the Navy's Supervisor of Shipbuilding, and Naval Sea Systems Command personnel will be working side by side testing many of the ship's key systems and technologies. During the trials, shipbuilders from Huntington Ingalls tested out the basic functions of the Ford, including cranking up its power plant, tracking aircraft with its new and improved radar, and dry-firing the new electromagnetic catapults meant to give aircraft a smoother launch, according to a U.S. Navy release. The Ford carrier is the first of its class and the first totally new aircraft carrier design in 4 decades. The ship boasts a power plant 3 times as powerful as previous Nimitz-class aircraft carriers that can accommodate future weapons like directed energy lasers and electromagnetic railguns. The Navy and our industry partners are excited to have the future USS Gerald R Ford underway under her own power for the first time, executing a rigorous and comprehensive test program for this first-of-class ship, said Rear Admiral Brian Antonio, Program Executive Officer for Aircraft Carriers. The shipbuilders found value in every square inch of the ship, saving the Navy a projected $4 billion in ownership costs over the ship's 50-year lifespan. The ship displacement, about 100,000 tons. Length, 337 meters. Beam, 41 meters. Gerald R Ford can operate more than 75 aircraft. The ship is equipped with 2 newly designed reactors and has 250% more electrical capacity than previous carriers. The improvements will allow the ship to load weapons and launch aircraft faster than ever before. Building an aircraft carrier takes generations of experience, hundreds of thousands of man-hours, years of planning and steady determination. Gerald R Ford is the product of years of construction, and before that, years of planning and design. 5,000 shipbuilders in Newport News and thousands of suppliers across the United States contributed to this first-in-class ship. Rear Admiral Brian Antonio told. This milestone is the culmination of years of hard work and dedication, and we look forward to learning a great deal during sea trials. We will continue to work together to deliver Ford's critical capabilities to the fleet. The U.S. Navy said it expects the delivery of the Ford by spring and told Business Insider that it hopes to commission the U.S.'s new carrier this summer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.